All right, so we're going to go over the example that you have the solution to, just to remind you, it's pretty straightforward. So when I'm going to read through the problem first. So we've got 3 kids, Alex, Ernesto, and Jordan, and they're buying carnival tickets. Ernesto bought 4 more than twice Alex's tickets. Jordan bought 6 less than 3 times Alex's tickets. If X represents Alex's tickets, so wherever I see the word Alex, I'm going to write an X. So I'm writing X over Alex because I know that Alex represents X. Which expression represents the combined total of Ernesto and Jordan? When we have the word combine, that means to add. Okay, does that make sense? Now I'm going to go ahead and go back through it and read. So we've got Ernesto. Ernesto bought, so Ernesto is equal to 4 more. So I'm going to write 4 over the word 4. More means plus, because think you have 4 more. Then twice Alex's, so that's 2x. Now they have it written for you out here as well. Ernesto is equal to 4 plus 2x. Okay. But I want to diagram the sentence for you because that's a good way to help you reason through and work through the word problem. Because I know a lot of students struggle with word problems. But if you read through it and diagram like I did, that makes the word problem super easy, right? Okay, now that's the first equation. Then Jordan bought, so bought is again another equal to 6 less. Here's the tricky part. You want to think whenever you see 6 less or some number less than another number, that number here, the number in front is the minus, not the 3x. So the 3x is not the minus, the 6 is the minus. Does that make sense? So then when they wrote the expression, they put, because that 3x is positive, they wrote 3x minus 6, okay? Now that we have our 2 expressions, we're told that we're only combining Ernesto and Jordan. We're not combining all of their tickets together, okay? If we were combining Alex, Ernesto, and Jordan, we would just combine like terms of all 3. So again, I'm going to look for my last name in Ernesto. So we have X as our first last name. Oops. It's being slow for me. Then we have 4 as another last name, or rather a constant as the other last name. Now I'm going to look at Jordan and I'm going to match the same last name. So 3X is the last name that matches with the 2X. The Word doesn't like it when I'm recording at the same time as writing on the screen. That, like, I guess the computer can't handle the memory load. Then I have -6. Okay. 2x plus 3x, we're just going to add the like terms. So add the same last name. The x's with the same are the same last name. So that's going to give me, oh crap. Okay. So that's going to be 5x. All 4 of these have 5x for the first term. Remember, I have 4 minus 6. So 4 minus 6, I have more bad guys than I have good guys. So that means I'm going to be negative. So 6 bad guys, take away 2, or take 4 of them from being good guys. That leaves me with -2. So my answer choice is A, which is what we have over here. Okay? Any questions on that one? All right. I do just want to make one side comment. On this question here, on this star, it says difference between the 2 students. So that means we're going to subtract the one polynomial from the other polynomial. We'll go over that together, but I just wanted to say that for the sake of the video.